Hey guys, Tanya here. Welcome to the channel, and in today's video I want to share with you a Dollar Tree haul. Dollar Tree still doing their Easter and their spring stuff, and I got things for the house, spring cleaning, spring organization, Easter, and all that good stuff. So first let me start with, I always get these little rolled gauze items. I like to keep, first aid things on hand at all times. So I got three of these, and then some paper tape, some tape to tape it up, because I do a lot of, if I'm meal prepping, cleaning the house. And since the pandemic, I've been washing my hands extra, because I always was extra with it. And so my hands can get a little irritated. So I like to keep these on hand, sometimes to protect my wrist and my hands. And it's always a good idea to have disposable gloves on hand for safe food handling and cleaning as well. You get 100 in here. And then I like, if I'm going to be meal prepping off-site, then I like to keep some disposable things, reusable wipes here. These are from Brillo. Got a couple packs of these. And it's been a while since my store had these, and I go to a couple of Dollar Trees up the street. It's been a while since any of them had these, so I like to get these 6 packs of sponges. Do some spring cleaning. Then I also got another one. Got these. I saw these first, and then I saw these second. And I have the best Dollar Tree. I have a Dollar Tree right up the street. It only takes me 2 minutes, if that long, to get there. And they have the best stuff. And the people that work in there, they're not like young people, and they work so hard, and they keep that store up, stocked, and I appreciate them so much. So when they have things, I try not to just, once they stock it up, because they work hard to stock it up and keep it neat, so I'll take a few. I might take 4. I won't take the whole thing, because that means they'll have to restock it, and they know me, and they allow me to film in there, so I try not to make things extra hard on them. And then I always take my cart back, and I keep it neat. If I pull stuff down and I don't want it anymore, I put it back, because they're probably in their 50s and 60s, and they say it's hard for the young people to do that work, and they've been working in there for years. So those of us like to have a gift basket business. I have a gift basket business. I do personal chefing and stuff like that, and I get a lot of stuff from Dollar Tree. And so I just want to, if we're going into these stores, I just want to make sure that, we're not overworking these people, because it is, I like Dollar Tree, and I get a lot of quality things out of there. Okay. And then, I got my vacuum seal bags. I did a video. I think I'll see if I could, well, I'm not going to say that, because I may not be able to link it, but just a little, I put my plush animals in there, or you could put your yarn, because I'm a crocheter. Put your yarn and vacuum seal your items, and allow for more space. So they were totally stocked up, but I just took 4 this time. So the next time I go in there, I'll probably get 4, and I try to at least keep a dozen on hand at all times. But since Valentine's Day, I've been storing so much stuff. I'm getting kind of low. I don't have my 12. Okay, put that over here. And then let's get some, and here are some storage bags. These are extra large. And they're not the shrink wrap, the vacuum seal, but they're just storage bags. They have a handle. So just keep my items nice and neat and protected. And the size is 2 feet by 20 inches. 1 household storage bag. And it says it has a new double zipper seal. So they only had 3 of these. So I took all 3. When I go to that store, any store I go to, the ones I go to, they know me and I'm in there frequently, so I don't try to wipe them out. Let's see what's in here. Okay, let's see what's there. We got all that storage stuff. Time for spring cleaning. So I've got to keep stuff on deck. So when you're in the mood, I don't know if I'll show you this. Got some Palmolive. Okay, then I've got one of these Easter signs. In my other haul, I got the darker one, and this is more pastel. So I got this sign here. So cute. I think that's so nice for $125. Okay, and then my gift basket, people. And if you're seeing this on my Tanya's Tasteful Table channel, I have a gift basket business, and I have a YouTube channel called PoshandGifted. And you can click the link. It's on the right side on the home page, and you can just click there. You can go there and see what's going on there. The content's kind of similar, but you'll get more information on crafts and creative stuff, and gift basket design and things like that. So if you're interested in stuff like that, I welcome you to subscribe there. So some of my gift basket people, they have these cute little mini, we got nieces and nephews and kids around, so they have these cute mini bags, Minnie Mouse bag, gift bags. They're cute. We didn't have kids of our own, but we got plenty of nieces and nephews, and they're starting their lives, and they're getting married and having their kids and stuff. So, you know, I'm around, and I like to take care of the kids. Then they have these cute LOL. Now you guys, my fellow gift basket designers, a lot of them do beautiful gift baskets and stuff for children, and so they've like inspired me with these cute little kitty stuff. It's cute. So I got 2 of these. These are so cute. They're Born to Rock. LOL girls are born to rock. All right. So got that. Oh, and then they're stocked up on their prayer cards. Dollar Tree. So I love the prayer cards. Here's the back. Isn't that a pretty pattern? So I got 2 of each pattern. And it includes 20 prayer and scripture cards, for those that aren't familiar with them. I love these. Here's this print. And they're normally up by the cashier. On the you know, the racks by the cashier. Got this one. And I still have some other ones. And if you have friends or family that are going through something, you have family that's in a nursing home or assisted living, you know, it's cool to, like I give these to, I have a family member that's in assisted living, and you know, every couple of months, just might drop her one. And, you know, and just keep the spirits up. Okay, now. Oh, I got some balloons. It's hard for me to find pink balloons. So I found some pink latex balloons. Okay. And then these, you know, and my gift basket people know that I love self-care spa gift baskets, and So we got some of these lavender infused. Mother's Day is coming, so create a gift basket for mom. Have some cute little exfoliate. I use these all the time. And they work, and that's why you keep, you know, exfoliate that dead skin. And if you're hosting a brunch or a bridal brunch or a baby shower brunch, they have a lot of beautiful things. And here's like a beautiful, it's a banner. You can personalize it yourself, and it has the letters in here. So you can, you know, say what you want. It's 15 pieces. I like that. Then there's a floral print. It's a cute little banner. You can transform your home into a, you know, have a bridal shower. And here's some thank you tags. I'll be doing some videos on hosting, you know, if you're hosting a bridal shower, baby shower, bachelorette party, stuff like that. Okay, so I got that. Okay, now for my Tanya's Tasteful oh, and then like for Easter, I got 2 more of these pillow covers for Easter. It has a little bunny. See the bunny here? That's what the pillow looks like. So I got 2 more, so I have 4. And then for the spring, for my kitchen for the spring, got these pretty got this mitt and pot holders. So cute. It says, happiness grows here. Got that. Then I got the spring makes me smile. Those. I got 2 of these. I like these the best. I like this. So I'll use one this year. I like to use one and put one up. All right, for my tablescape people. These are cute. Got these placemats. I love butterflies. So we're gonna keep it easy breezy around here. We got these pretty butterfly placemats to make home entertaining easy and pretty. Got 4. These. Sometimes I'll use them as placemats. Sometimes I'll fold them up and use them as napkins. So these, and it's this color on the back. And for my butterfly ones, the back is purple. Okay, all right, that's all that's in that bag. All right, almost at the final stretch. Is that everything? And then I like my tablescape people. The last thing I need is more dishes. But getting dinnerware at Dollar Tree was my thing. I can go anywhere and shop anywhere else, and I still like the dishes that I get at Dollar Tree. So they have these. I love that color. Isn't that so pleasant? So soothing. I love that color. So they had the bowls, the coffee cups. I just got the plates, the lunch plate. And I got the lunch plate and the dinner plate. See this, that. I think this will look good together. I'll do a tablescape, see what I already have, and see how I can make that work. Make a beautiful tablescape. Tastefully for less. That's what my tastemakers, that's what we do. Do things tastefully for less. And I just got the lunch plates for these. It says home sweet home. So I got 4 of those. So I can kind of mix and match. Might be a good idea because I don't like everything too solid. So I'll take the solid. Well, we'll just see. We'll see. I'll do a tablescape. Yeah, just give you some ideas, and you can make a pretty table for Easter, for spring, and for Mother's Day. Tastefully for less. Okay, guys, so that's everything. I did enough damage today, don't you think? Yes. All right, so I want to thank you so much for tuning in today. I appreciate your support. I appreciate all of your support, and all of my new subscribers. Hello and welcome. I see you, and I appreciate you too. And so if you have any questions, please don't hesitate. Any questions or comments, put them in the comment section. And I'll see you in my next video. And if you like my vibe, hit subscribe. Join the Tastemakers and the Posh Partners tribe. Appreciate you guys all. And just hit the subscribe. And I'll see you in my next video. Bye. Bye, Mom.